Hello, in front of me I've got Amazon Luna. In this video I'll show you how can you try this platform for free. In the beginning, make sure you've got Amazon Prime subscribed. Prime members can try limited selection of games at no cost. You can see it right here. Once you've got Amazon Prime, make sure to log in to your account. Amazon sometimes offer free tries for Luna Plus and other channels. These are a great way to test the service before subscribing. If you've got Amazon Prime subscription, go to your account and make sure to subscribe for free trial of Luna Plus. Thanks to this, you've got access to full library of games. Mostly free trials are 7 days. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.